This is my Porter Cable C2002. Got it for 20 bucks off of Facebook. The problem was it was leaking air. You could hear it right here. What I found out was a tiny pinhole that's made in the head to bleed off pressure. The problem was this check valve stuck, so it'd leak air back in the piston and leak out here until the tank was empty. But when it went to restart it, once it gets down to 100 psi or whatever, with the air in the cylinder, there isn't enough power to start the compressor back up because you're fighting against the air that's already in the cylinder. So what we'll do is we'll pull this, bleed it down, and it should start up now. Started right back up. You could hear a tiny bit of air leak out of there. I removed the check valve there. It's pretty corroded. But we'll see if some CLR or something will free it up. Don't try to remove that with air in it. Either pull the pressure release or unscrew the drain valve on the bottom right here. When I bought this had a good amount of water in there. Probably a couple cups at least. You're supposed to, that's what this is for. You're supposed to drain your tank so it doesn't corrode. That's probably why this is all corroded. And you can see how corroded it is deep inside of there where this seats, and there's actually a groove around there, rusted groove around there, so that won't be sealing good even if I cleaned up the rust. See how corroded that is. So I'll go inside and just order one of these right now. Junk that new one. This is aluminum. I'd rather have a brass one, but I'm sure aluminum's better than this plated steel one. I'd try to find a brass one if you could. I wanted to get it quickly. That was 12 bucks on eBay ship, so I'm happy. I'm all of 32 bucks in this. It's in nice shape, other than the hole in the glass there, which I taped over with that clear tape. Looks good.